So to turn ChatGPT into your personal journaling tool, all you simply have to do is input this prompt right here. Now, by inputting this prompt, you'll have it as a journaling tool and a personal reflection guide. So you can basically say, I would like to start a daily journal with you. I want you to log my info and respond to me with care and insight into each day. The journal is designed for daily check-ins and future reflection. Please only ask me questions that can give me insight into my feelings and improve my future self. So by doing this, you're setting up a chat conversation with ChatGPT that'll be your personal journal, and it'll remember parts about you as you go on. So just always remember each day to log in and reflect in this specific chat, and this will be your personal reflection journal. So as you can see here, what's the dominant emotion you're feeling right now? Try to go beyond good or bad. So you'll just be answering these questions, and it'll help you develop insight into your personal emotions. So let's say we could say I feel good. So then you can go ahead and answer these prompts like this. So for instance, as an example, I said, I feel good. I went to the gym and I'm getting more fit. I felt sad midday for no reason, not sure why. I'd like to stay disciplined with my fitness. And that answers every single prompt that it has here. And you can go ahead and press enter. And by doing this each day, it'll be able to check in and give you insight onto how you're feeling. And you can see, as you can see here, it gives you the insight that midday sadness might not need a why. Sometimes emotional dips are your system asking for pause or presence. And it can always just give you more insight into whatever you're feeling, and it can give you a prompt for tomorrow, and you can always edit it as you see fit. But it's a great way to utilize ChatGPT as your reflection journal to just simply journal and stay on track as you go through your day and your week. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.